G'day Thallon and Nindigully. Give us a few minutes of your time as we show you how to prepare for floods.
And protect what's most important to you.
There are 3 flood levels to be aware of: minor, moderate and major. In Thallon, the Moonee River is in minor flood at 4 metres, moderate flood at 4.5 metres and major flood at 5 metres. The height of the levee bank is 6.3 metres.
If flood levels reach 5 metres, a temporary levee will be installed and the Thallon Bridge will close. When the Moonee is in flood, the Carnarvon Highway can close.
The biggest flood risk for us is isolation and lack of supplies. During floods, you might not be able to get groceries or medicine. Prepare an emergency kit and store it somewhere safe.
Have a think about the essentials your family would need if you had to stay at home for 3 days.
This might include medicine, drinking water, long life food and some toiletries.
Check out the Get Ready Queensland website for a complete guide on what to pack in your emergency kit.
When weather events are brewing or a flood is coming, Council's emergency dashboard is the first port of call for information and direction. The emergency dashboard is constantly updated with live local emergency news, road conditions, weather warnings and alerts, river heights and power outages. You can sign up for free email and text notifications, which will be sent directly to you. To opt in for these alerts, visit the Balonne Shire Council website, head to the emergency dashboard and sign up for opt-in alerts.
If you're not connected to the internet or you don't have a mobile phone, pop into your local library or council office to get a copy of the latest local disaster management group update.
You can also tune into ABC radio and listen for flood warnings and alerts. In an emergency, you should always dial 000 or SES on 132 500.
If there is a chance of severe and dangerous flooding, you will receive an emergency alert on your mobile and landline.
They will be sent automatically to any landlines or mobiles in the affected area.
It's a good idea to save the National Emergency Alert number on your phone.
Emergency alert messages are sent from +61 444 444 444. If you receive an emergency alert, you should act straight away and follow the instructions of the message.
If you haven't already, now's the time to jump on the emergency dashboard and opt in for alerts. Check out the Get Ready Queensland website. It's packed with loads of useful information and resources to help you protect your home, your family, your business and your own well-being in the event of a flood. Being prepared can save lives, save money and speed up recovery. Stay safe, Balonne, and remember, if it's flooded, forget it.